So hello everybody. So do you still remember me? Hello my F2 students. So do you remember me? So I'm Mr. O, right? So today I would like to cover the chapter 9, acids and alkalines. So do you have done your special holiday homework? So I will check now. So if you haven't completed the special holiday homework, please complete it as soon as possible. So let's see. So I've already assigned a free homework. Number 1 is the special holiday. Homework 2, preparation of the acids and alkaline. So watch the video and complete the Google form. So I know it's on the 18th of April, but I see someone who haven't assigned it, so please do it as soon as possible. And number 2, and the other homework is the special holiday homework number 1 is the assignment book. Page 38 to 49. It's about the chapter 10.3 hearing, 10.4 presentation, 10.5, 10.6, 10.7. So submit it in the PDF file and upload it to Google Classroom. And the last one is to redo the first term examination. Okay, so let us go back to this one. Okay, so now can you see my screen? So we are going to talk about chapter 9. Acids and alkaline. So do you know do you have a basic knowledge of the acid and alkaline, right? If you have done the Google form of the 5 MC question, if you get all of the correct, which means you have the basic knowledge of acids and alkalines. Okay, so let's see what do we learn in this chapter. So in this unit we will learn about some common acids and alkalines. And we will learn how to handle acids and alkalines safely, how to use the indicators to distinguish acid and alkaline solutions, how to use the pH scale to describe the acidity and the alkalinity of substances, the new stress relation of acids and alkalines, the corrosive nature of acids, the causes of the acid rain and its effects on the environment and living things, potential hazards related to the use of the acids and alkaline. So let's turn to your textbook, page 3. So turn to your textbook, page 3. So 9.1, common acids and alkalines. So acids found at home and in the laboratory. So you probably know that lemon tastes sour, right? So lemon have a sour taste because they contain acids. So acids in Chinese meaning, hey guys, 顺. So in this video, we will cover a little bit about alkalines, but acid first. So acids and alkalines. Okay, so yes. So acids are commonly found in our daily life. Many food, drinks, and seasonings that taste sour contains acid. Okay, so you can see now you can see the figure 9.1, right? So I think this photo is a little bit blurred, so you can refer to your book about the figure 9.1. Okay, so let us see. So this one is the tea, ginger, yogurt, grape, apples, spinach, and soft drinks. And the second fruits like grapefruit, lemon, and orange. They are also contains acids. 佢哋係酸嘅，你食落去或者飲落去咧都係會有啲酸嘅，例如茶會酸啦，yogurt 會酸啦，提子啊、蘋果啊、其他嘅汽水啊、忌廉啊、其他酒啊、忌廉等等 ginger 都係酸嘅，OK。So this is the food. So, oh, sorry. So some personal care products such as body lotion, hair conditioners, household cleaners, toilet cleaners, and some drugs like for example, aspirin, 阿士匹靈. So they are also contains acids，佢哋都係擁有酸性嘅。body lotion 啦，即係嗰啲搽面啊，洗啊 toilet cleanser，即係啲好似呢個牌子，誒買廣告先咁樣，潔廁得啊！大家通常有冇用過潔廁得咧？呢個咧就係阿士匹靈。呢度有啲，我寫出少少啊。So does anyone know what is the meaning of aspirin? So I will search it for you. So阿士匹林或者阿士匹靈都得嘅。So aspirin is a semiphene compound used in medically to relieve fever or chronic pain and to reduce fever and inflammation, usually taken in the tablet form. So a common drug that reduces pain, fever, and swelling. 好，咁你知道啦。就係一啲好 common 嘅 drug 啦，係去負責去 reduce pain，即係減低痛楚、你嘅發燒同埋 swelling 嘅。OK，so 我刪除潔廁得先。OK，so let's go back to this one. OK，so any question about this is so simple, right? You have a little bit basic knowledge. OK，so if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. OK，so let's turn to the book, page 4. Go to your book, page 4. OK，so acids are commonly used in the laboratories, right? So there are many different kinds of acid in the laboratory, such as the hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and neutron acid. Chinese meaning hydrochloric acid 係解氫氯酸，氫氯酸。啲咩唔使記嘅，你淨係知就得㗎啦。OK。So I don't write it. So you can refer to the Chinese meaning. OK。So 好啦。So from now on, I will talk two videos. One is the Chinese version and one is the English version. So this is the English version. For the Chinese version, I will do it later on. So you know that. So we are commonly used in the school laboratories. So number 2, properties of the acid. Property 係解嘅特色 ，acid 嘅特色。So acids are the property。或者叫特點啊，特點得。 特點 ，OK 特點。So acids share some common properties. For example, acids have a sour taste. 係有一個好 sour 好酸嘅 taste 嘅。So remember, never taste any acid using the beverage. 千祈唔好舐啊，唔好飲啊，唔好點啊，唔好係啦，唔好 taste 佢。OK。So number two, acid solutions can conduct electricity. 原來我哋講過，原來我哋講酸性咧都可以通電嘅喎。咁點解咧？你陣間就知道啦。So, okay. So acids are react with the alkalines. 我哋成日都話兩個係死對頭，係唔 friend 嘅。So we'll discuss it in the session 9.3. Right? So in chapter 9.3, we will talk about alkalines. So acids react with many materials, including metals. 原來我哋就話啦，原來酸性咧係可以去通到去react with many materials，例如有金屬，原來都可以做到嘅喎。咁我哋就會we'll discuss this in the session 9.4，我哋就會去喺出咗9.4咧，會再同大家講一講嘅。So key point, please read now. So acids have a sour taste. So acid solutions can conduct electricity. Okay. So let's talk about use of acids. So some common use of acids as follows. So number one, as preservatives. So do you know what's the meaning of preservatives? So give you 5 seconds to think. So are you correct or not? 中文解釋係解防腐劑。Preservatives 防腐劑 OK. So there are the acids. Okay, so fresh food may go bad in a few days due to the action of microorganisms. 細菌 may go bad in a few days. So most microorganisms cannot grow or reproduce in the acid additions. 喺酸鹼情況之下咧，大部分嘅細菌微生物咧都唔能夠重新生長嘅。So acids may even kill them. 酸咧就可以殺滅到嗰啲微生物啲細菌嘅。Therefore, food can be preserved by soaking them in acids. 即係將原來咧食物入邊含有酸性咧，就一會就殺菌啦。So number two, so there are some common use， 即係佢哋嘅好處，即係我哋唔係個好處嘅，即係用途啦。用途 ，OK。So yes. So removing strands. So acids can be used as cleaning agents. 佢哋可以能夠幫你去清潔唔同嘅嘢嘅。Hydrochloric acid is commonly found in the toilet cleaners. It can remove stains in the toilet bowls. Number three, and it can make industrial chemicals. Acids are commonly used to make industrial chemicals. For example, sulfur acid is used to make fertilizers, dyes, and paints. 油漆都做到嘅。So yes. Okay. So key point. You do it by yourself. I don't write anything here. So acids can be used as preservatives to prevent food from going bad. So some household cleansers contain acids. to help to remove stains. Acids are also commonly used in making industrial chemicals. So part B, alkalines. So alkalines, which means cạn, cạn. Cạn, okay? So alkalines that find at our home or in the laboratory. So our hands feel sloppy after we have touched the soap bubbles. It's because soap contains alkalines. 原來咧，我哋嘅鹼液咧係有含有鹼嘅食品嘅喎。So let's go. So turn to your book, page 7. Okay. So acids, sorry, alkalines, like acids, they are also commonly found at home. 你可以咧能夠喺屋企入邊去揾到嘅。So they are present in many daily household products such as the glass cleansers, kitchen cleansers, drain cleaners, baking soda, toothpaste, soap, and alkaline batteries. So there are many different kinds of alkalines in the school laboratories. The alkalines commonly used in laboratories are sodium hydroxide, aluminium solution, and carbon hydroxide, lime water. 中文第一個係氫氧化鈉，第二個係胺溶液，第三個係氫氧化鈣 lime water 石灰水，之前講過嘅。呢啲咧我就唔嘥時間喺度講啦，反而要講啲重要嘢。呢個你淨係知道就得啦。You do not need to revise, but you have to know it. OK， 淨係知道就可以啦。Okay, so we will now move to talk about the properties of the alkalines. So alkalines share some common properties. For example, alkalines used have a bitter taste. However, never taste an alkali in the school laboratories. Alkalines have a slippery feel. Alkaline solutions can conduct electricity, which also have acids. Alkalines react with acids, reducing water section 9.3. So alkalines have a slippery feel. Have a bitter taste and a slippery feel. And alkaline solutions can conduct electricity. Okay, so the use of the alkalines. So some common use of alkalines as follows. So remove grades. So alkalines can be used as the cleaning agents, and aluminium is commonly found in kitchen cleansers and glass cleaners. They can remove grease from stove and windows. Sodium hydroxide is commonly found in the drain cleaners. When it is dissolved in water, a large amount of heat is released. The hot alkaline solution can remove substances like grass or hair that block in the drum. So they make industrial chemicals. So alkalis have many industrial uses. For example, potassium hydroxide, 我哋叫做氫氧化鈉 is used in making batteries. 幫你去製造電力嘅。So, okay. So this is very important. I repeat, in your exam, I will ask you, or in the quiz, I will ask you how to handling acids and alkaline safety in the laboratory. So how to handle acids and alkaline safety? So many acids and alkalis used in the school laboratories are corrosive. So they can burn our skin and eyes. Therefore, we must take safety precautions when handling them. So number 1, read the household warning symbol. 呢個一定要背啊，講到明考試必考。 我打埋聲，我睇下邊個唔溫先啊。唔溫嗰啲咧就唔該同我抄10幾廿，抄5次啊，起碼唔該。我打埋聲啦，我寫埋啦。important. Okay, it's important. So read the hostile warning symbols. 要睇清楚究竟嗰啲嘅 warning labels on the region bottles. Wear safety goggles 啦 ，wear protective gloves when you need to avoid detecting contact with the acids or alkalines. So pour the acids or alkaline waters into the appropriate waste bottles. So wash your hands thoroughly after the experiment. 一定要洗手啊！一定要洗手，你唔洗嘅話，咁就大件事啦嚇。OK，好。So number 5. So never taste acid or alkalis in laboratory. 千祈一定唔可以啊。So do not mix acids or alkalis with other chemicals without your teacher's permission. 喺未經老師嘅許可之前咧，切勿去將酸鹼同其他嘅物質一齊溝埋啊。So remember, this is a safety precision. Okay. So number 2, if accidents involving acid or alkalines happen, what should we do? 我哋應該要點樣做嘅話，你都要知啊，你都要背啊呢個。我講到明啦，都係要背嘅呢兩 part。So we must keep calm. 我哋一定係要保持冷靜啦，呢個知噶啦。So we should report it to the teacher immediately and take the following measures. So number 1, wash the affected area under slow running water for at least 10 minutes. Carefully remove any containing clothing and avoid making contact with the chemical. So, okay. So if you get acid or alkalines into your eyes, wash it in your eye wash bottle immediately for at least 10 minutes. So for more serious injuries, call an ambulance. Keep washing the affected area until the ambulance arrives. Take a sample of the acid or the alkaline for the hospital for reference， 俾你做參考，睇下食咗啲咩落去啦。咁正常呢個咧就會比較少有嘅呢個 ，so it is not common。罕有啦，即除非一啲嘢真係好嚴重嘅事嘅，呢叫罕見。係啦，咁呢個比較少有嘅，通常呢一 part， 即除非一啲好嚴重嘅事故嘅啫。咁你先要去送入院。咁如果唔係咧，正常好輕微嗰啲咧，你就可以跟翻呢3個程序去做咧，咁就可以噶啦。OK， so remember to see the steps, the following steps. Okay, so the last key point, I will underline the key point. So many acids and alkalis studied in school laboratories can burn our skin and eyes. We must take the safety precision in handling them. So any question about the safety precisions? So if you have any question, you can PM me in WhatsApp group, or you can Gmail me also. Okay. So so this is the end of the chapter 10.1. 10.1. So before I end the video, I would like you to complete the chapter 9.1. So I will cover with you. So write true or false. So number 1, acids usually have a bitter taste. True, right? Many acid alkalis usually are positive. Yes. Experience you should watch the areas and the slow one is false. Okay, false. So these 2, 1, 3, and okay. So so this do you have any question? So if not, and I will do it as a Chinese video. I will do another video about the Chinese version. Okay. So if you do you have any question? So if not, so today no homework. Today no homework. Okay, no homework. So keep revise at the chapter 9.1. I've already gone through the chapter 9.1 in about 25 to 30 minutes. So if you have any question or you don't understand, so just PM me or ask me, okay, immediately. So, bye-bye.